This video will demonstrate how to use the Apply Retention Policy to Records job to protect data in OpenText InfoArchive. This job uses a search to determine which records need to be protected with the retention policy. First, configure the job. Set the Apply To field to the desired application. In the Properties section, update the following. For the search name property, the search must be set to ready. For table applications, the search must be associated with a schema and table. The search set property indicates the name of the search set. The search criteria file property can either be an XML file on the InfoArchive server or inline XML text that defines the criteria for the search. The retention policy name property indicates the retention policy being applied to the records. The retention date attribute property indicates the name of the date-time column returned in the search that defines the base date for aging. This property is only required for duration and mixed retention policies. Once you have configured the job, save your changes. Run the Apply Retention Policy to Records job. Once the job is completed, run a search to verify that the records are under retention by navigating to the Retention Sets tab. Thank you for watching.